Talofa tamaiti. Kia ora tamariki mā. Malo elelei. Remember this week is Tongan Language Week? Do you remember what we were learning yesterday? Yeah? We were learning 4 shapes in Tongan language. 4 shapes. Do you remember those shapes? Do you? Okay. That shape is fuopotopoto, round circle. Tapawhatatau, square. Tapatoru, triangle. Taimane, diamond. Okay. So I'm going to sing a song. You can sing it with me. I will sing it again, first, and then you sing it after. Fuopotopoto, fuopotopoto, tapawhatatau, tapawhatatau, tapatoru, tapatoru, taimane, taimane. You can sing it with me. Ready? Toru, fa. Fuopotopoto, fuopotopoto, tapawhatatau, tapawhatatau, tapatoru, tapatoru, taimane, taimane. Today, we are going to learn numbers in Tongan language. Numbers in Tongan language. Okay, you can see those numbers? So number 1, taha, lua, ua, toru, tolu, fa, fa, lima, nima, ono, ono, fitu, fitu, valu, valu, iva, hiva, sefulu, hongofulu. So 1, taha, 2, ua, toru, tolu, 3, 4, fa, 5, nima, 6, ono, fitu, 7, fitu, 8, valu, 9, hiva, 10, hongofolo. So 1, taha, 2, ua, 3, tolu, 4, fa, 5, nima, 6, ono, 7, fitu, 8, valu, 9, hiva, 10, hongofolo. So those are the numbers in Tongan language. Taha, ua, toru, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iva, hongofolo. Taha, ua, toru, fa, lima, ono, fitu, valu, hiva, hongofolo. Okay. So tomorrow, we are going to learn alphabet in Tongan language. So yesterday we were learning shapes in Tongan language. Today we were learning numbers. So tomorrow we are going to learn alphabet in Tongan language. So thank you, Tamariki. Malo au pito. We'll see you again tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye, everyone. Ka kite.